If you struggle with being consistent, you landed in the right place. I want to share with you how I fix my consistency and how I believe if you make this one shift, you can fix yours too. So for years, I struggled with my consistency, not only showing up consistently for my business, but also I struggled with showing up for myself. Our results suffer when we aren't able to get into a rhythm of consistency and when we're unable to create positive and lasting habits in our lives. I would go for periods of time attacking one task or strategy, but then eventually, one by one, I would fall off. The marketing strategies in my business, I could only run with them for so long. Eating healthy, I could only eat healthy, but for so long. Exercise and so many other things, guys, I could only do them for so long until I realized that I was falling off once again. Can you relate? If so, lean in a little bit closer because I'm going to share something valuable with you, and also let me know in the comments if that is you. What I found out was that my consistency wasn't really broken, but rather it was my why. It was my reason for doing things that was displaced, is that my focus was off-centered. My focus wasn't right. So what I've done and what I encourage you to do as well is I've shifted my focus 100% to serving and doing my work from my heart center, from my heart space. We are all called to do many different things. We show up in the world the way that we do because we believe we've been called to do so. But instead of showing up in our zone of genius and enjoying what we're skilled to do in serving others, we get caught up in the demands of this world, like how to make more money or to be more in the eyes of others, how to achieve more and more and more. So when we start being consistent with something and we don't see our results fast enough, our attention and our effort towards it fades and we leave our goals to fall to the side. So instead, serve, show up, and take action from the heart space. Realize that you're here on this planet for a divine reason. And one of those reasons is service to others and yourself. When you are consistent at something positive, realize that it's for a greater purpose and it's for the greater good. So now when I serve and show up from my heart space, I'm able to be way more consistent because I'm not just doing it for the results. I commit because I feel purposeful in staying the course. Do you see the difference here? The thing is, oftentimes when our focus is on material things or on the approval of others, once we obtain that thing, we tend to move the goalposts and then we aren't happy with it anymore. We lose the thrill of the chase and we move on to chasing the next thing. But when you shift your focus to serving from your heart and realizing that your work is more purposeful, you change the entire game because now you're living in and enjoying each moment. You are enjoying the journey and being grateful that you're able to be of service to others. I'd love for you to try this shift each day and see if serving from your heart space and basing your work, whether it's for yourself, your family, your business, any others, if you shift it to the heart space, I want you to see if this helps you to show up more consistently in the same way that it's helped me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I would love for you to drop me a comment if it's helped you, or even come back and comment once you have tried shifting your focus to serving more from the heart space. Be blessed, guys, and I'll see you soon.